All right, Bitcoin dominance, even though it's under 58, it's still higher than we want. And it needs to fade here soon if we want to continue, or thinking that this is like a bounce and a downtrend, right? If we want this to be a bear flag, which so far still is, looks pretty good, right? To break down this way. And we, back here, right? This is when alts were doing pretty great. We need to get back here. So we can't go too much higher. We're obviously looking for a lower high, but I'm looking much lower than that. Like previous range high, range low, like something in this area, like the upper Bollinger Band right there, 58.5. This is on the daily chart, but that's the spot. Otherwise, we start to invalidate the flag as well. Certainly, if we get above here. So, like the final straw would be like 58.75. Otherwise, this is probably coming back to 60%, and then we got to hope for a lower high, and that Bitcoin isn't going to do something cataclysmic to alts again with either a explosive move to like 115 or a drop to 90 like very quickly. This would shoot dominance through the roof if one of those two scenarios happens. But Bollinger Bands say that maybe this helps us out. Support resistance here. Maybe another couple of days, maybe the rest of the week we come up here a little bit. Maybe we get an upper wick. Like the wicks can go pretty high on these dominance kind of things, or low. So if we're gonna get to fail, which we need to alts, if we want our alts to go again, right? It just needs to flip back the other way here, right? 54%. That's when this has been the same lines for 6 months plus now. If we want alt season to really, laughing all the way home, whatever that means, we got to get under here. Or at least got to get back here if we want to see some of those, 10, 20% random moves that we had, right? We haven't had any of those in several days, right? That happens again. Like that was probably the last time we had that right there on that downwards movement. We've got to get back under the yellow, right? That's where we can start to get a little more bullish, get under the orange. We'll see that plenty. If we get under the red, like everything under the sun should be moving. All right.